The rooster's call greets the dawn, while the alarm clock urges me to press on, racing against time. Yet life often strikes a bitter chime, leaving me rising no sooner than the dog after sleepless nights. I work tirelessly, taking on double shifts, carrying the workload of 3, but still, the heavens show no mercy. Years of toil have left their mark on my weary body. As the year's end draws near, I find myself hoping that maybe, just maybe, a lottery win could bring a little fullness to this sparse life.